This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google IvyPanda Free Essays.
The brain forms the control center and coordinates all bodily functions and other organs. The brain executes its functions by sending and receiving signals and nerve impulses through the neurons. Though the neurons interconnect the whole brain, it is divided into compartments that perform different functions. The main purpose of the compartmental divisions of the brain is to promote brain activity by division of roles per compartment. Each section executes a specific function and controls some selected body parts. For effective action, the brain cannot work as a single unit due to the risk of poor coordination of impulses. The cerebrum brain plays a role in maintaining the body's balance and posture. This function is executed by making postural adjustments. The brain signals the vestibular receptors and proprioceptors and commands the change in position and muscle weight through the motor neurons to ensure that balance is achieved. The cerebrum is another part of the human brain located in the uppermost section. Its main role in the body is to coordinate the function and processing of the sensory functions. These include the main body senses, such as vision, hearing, and touch, necessary for the body's normal functioning. This function aids in controlling body movement and intellectual development, which enables studying, memory, and emotional processes. The brainstem is the bottom portion of the brain. It is the section responsible for performing all subconscious functions. Such tasks include inhalation and exhalation, as well as sustaining heart rate. The frontal lobe of the cerebrum forms the section covered by the frontal bones, as the name suggests. It constitutes two pairs, the right and left frontal cortex. The lobe plays a significant role, especially in mental functioning. It aids in planning, individual memory management, and decision-making. Other essential functions include speech and language coordination through the Broca region. The area helps in constructing words and arranging them chronologically to produce a coherent speech. The frontal lobe is responsible for motor skills learning. Mastery of the coordinated functions, including voluntary walking and running, is enhanced. A person can also differentiate and categorize various regions by using the frontal lobe of the cerebrum. Individual personalities are developed in the region as they control impulse responses. The interplay of signals that define one's characteristics is in the frontal lobe. It also serves to manage someone's attention adequately. The functioning of the frontal lobe can be adversely affected by damage from traumatic injury or disease. Such a condition is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, abbreviated as ADHD. It results in differences in the mental development of a person and affects brain activity and attention levels. The common signs of ADHD include self-focused behavior, impatience, emotional turmoil, interruptive behavior, fidgeting, and lack of focus. Most of them will also have several unfinished tasks, and they noisily conduct their activities. They talk and move excessively and have challenges sitting still in one location for a prolonged period. If this condition occurs, the frontal lobe will be damaged, and its ability to perform its functions will be impaired. In addition to the effect on attention ability, the person may have other secondary problems related to the inability of the lobe to carry out other duties adequately. Medical or therapeutic interventions are recommended to manage attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. However, it is advisable to initiate both management regimes for efficiency and quick recovery of the lobe. Medically, the recommended drugs of choice that can be used under strict prescription include guanfacine, atomoxetine, lisdexamfetamine, and methylphenidate. Various programs, such as psychoeducation, behavioral therapy, group training, cognitive behavior, and social skills training, are encouraged in therapy. If you want to find more works like this essay on the functions of the human brain, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.